All right, guys, it's time for my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. It is a little late, but slept in, watched some horror movies last night, and yeah, so what we're going to do here, we're going to make some chicken and waffles, okay? Something I'm very excited about today, though, is using this McCormick Grill Mate Alabama Barbecue Creamy and Tangy. I'm going to use that for frying up some of this chicken. We're going to do that in the air fryer. Put some bacon on the smoker, and then, of course, the trusty waffle iron. So I'm going to try and sweeten up a little bit using this Roland Reginald Mexican vanilla, which is just, if you're using vanilla and you're not using this, you're doing it wrong. All right, I'm going to get some of this stuff started up. Good dogs are snuggling with the red dragon in her lair right now. So yeah, we're going to have to go without them for a little bit. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, there's Chef Kleinbear coming to check in on things. What we got here, we got some flour, and then of course the Alabama barbecue creamy and tangy. We're gonna mix that up and get that butter going. Cut the chicken into nice little strips here. Smoker's getting ready for the bacon, and so is Chef Kleinbear. Once we get some of that going, we gotta preheat the air dryer. We're gonna go over this is just pretty standard. You got 2 cups of your mix. We're gonna add probably a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of the vanilla, and then an egg, and then water, and then I think 2 tablespoons worth of vegetable oil. So let's get some of that going. First thing we get going though is mixing this up and getting this chicken ready. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, so that bad boy's rocking and rolling. Grilling with the good dogs. Got your eggs here, your batter there, and some butter here. So what it's gonna be is you're gonna be putting all of these in the egg, tossing them in there, and then before they go in here, you're gonna douse them with some butter and a little bit more there. Okay, so it's a double. 1, 2 kind of deal. And get some pan to throw in there. You don't want that stuff to stick on that bottom sheet. So the chicken's gonna definitely take the longest, so that's why you want to get it done first, okay? We're about to go throw the bacon on the grill, and then be finishing up with some of these waffles. Really good dogs. I'm gonna start putting this stuff in here. Just try and fit as much as you can in there. Already put the Pam in there and stuff. Yeah, buddy. Should turn out pretty good. I'll have to do this kind of one at a time kind of deal. We'll do probably 2 batches of it. See how it goes. And we're going to slap it back in there. This is about at 350. And what you're going to want to do is, it's going to be an eyeball kind of thing. I've never trusted the timer. But you're going to want to try and check it about every 5 minutes or so and shake it loose so it doesn't stick to anything. Yeah, you're going with the good dogs. Let's go throw some bacon on the smoker. All right. What do you think about that, dogs? What do you think about that? Don't let that do its thing. You're going with the good dogs. Going back to the waffles. All right. Trying to get all the clumps out of there, mixing up that waffle mix. It smells divine, nice and sweet. But this smells amazing. Let's give this a quick shake. Look at that. Everything's coming out real good. So shake. Let everything move around. Slap her back in there. Dragon likes her bacon crispy. I'd say we're about halfway there. A little bit more than that. The dog's checking up. They want some of that bacon. The chairs are a mess because I got to blow off the deck. Guys, even though Chef Kleinbear is hiding under the table for no reason whatsoever, we got everything done here. There's your bacon, crispy to perfection by the Red Dragon. We got the chicken. Again, I gotta get that McCormick's real quick. And the bacon and the waffles. It just looks fantastic. It smells terrific in here. I can't wait to have it. Let me get that logo and we can plug it and say guys, we got that next batch coming out here in a minute. I'm not gonna film that. This has, again, been grilling with the good dogs. Just want to highlight that Grill Mate's Alabama seasoning. I guess I didn't even take a bite out of it. Let me show you. Got one of the chicken strips here. Good. I like that tang. I like that tanginess. That's good stuff, guys. Grilling with the good dogs. McCormick's Grill Mates, Alabama seasoning. Try it out. Chef Kleinbear.